In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal access token in Airtable. A personal access token lets you securely connect Airtable to other tools, scripts, or automations without sharing your account password. Think of it as a key that grants only the access you approve, which helps keep your data safer and easier to manage. Start by opening your browser and going to airtable.com. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to create the token. Once you're on the home page or in any workspace, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. That opens a menu with options related to your account and building tools. From that menu, choose Builder Hub. This is where Airtable centralizes tools for creators and developers. Inside the Builder Hub, find and click Developers. This section contains everything related to integrations, tokens, and developer settings. Next, go to Personal Access Tokens. This is the dedicated area for creating and managing your tokens. You'll see a list of any tokens you've already made. To create a new one, click Create Token. You'll be taken to a form where you can configure the token. Start by entering a clear, descriptive name. Use something that reminds you what this token is for, like the project or tool that will use it. Good names help you quickly audit or rotate tokens later. Now click Add a Scope. Scopes define what the token is allowed to do, such as reading data or writing data. Choose only what your integration actually needs. Granting fewer permissions reduces risk and follows the principle of least privilege, which is a best practice for security. After scopes are set, click Add All Resources if you want this token to apply across all your accessible bases and workspaces. If you prefer tighter control, you can select specific resources instead. Keeping access narrow makes it easier to manage who and what can touch your data. With the name, scopes, and resources configured, click Create Token. Airtable will generate the token and display it once. Click Copy to store it somewhere secure immediately. Treat this token like a password. Do not share it publicly and save it in a trusted password manager or a secure environment variable. If you ever suspect it's exposed, revoke it and create a new one. When you're done copying, click Done. That's it. Your personal access token is ready to use with your integrations, and you've set it up with the right balance of access and security.